Well, when I bought the house, moved in June, and this was all a screened-in porch, which was great when the weather was nice, but that's only a few months out of the year, and kind of wanted to use it year-round. And so I initially had wanted a doggy door for my dogs to go in and out, and had made numerous attempts to get somebody to put in this door. Home Depot, other window and door places. They said they couldn't, they wouldn't even come out, some wouldn't call me back. And so I finally got a hold of Tom, and called me back right away. I had actually had another phone call from another person just before he called me. Kind of made Tom wait, thought I was going to go with this other guy. He stood me up too, after making an appointment and everything. So I called back, apologized to Tom, and said, hey, can you help me? And he's like, of course. And if I'd known, I would have called him first moment I moved in June, because everything went very smoothly. He was very organized, and had me give him a lot of information, had me do my homework first, showing him kind of what the site was and what I wanted, and then he would send information back to me through email. And that way, when he came out to visit, it was very quick and efficient, and we got everything ordered, and just recently had everything installed, from windows, where everything was screened in, to a new exterior door, and finally my doggy door. So it's great.